Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Pathankot location. It is from Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for spoke or hub manager in Dealshare. Coming to the job roles and key responsibilities, like regional hub manager have the overall responsibility for planning and execution of hub and gateway operations of the region and monitoring of all metrics of performance of each hub and implementation of SOPs, quality service standards and transit time, and productivity and operations improvement and people management, and regional level management of processing of consequence through their hubs and timely connection and retrieval of the load in the scheduled routes, and management of load processing at bag and shipment level, and management of ready volumes per connection and monitoring connection variance to avoid any hub pendency and process adherence. These are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for employee IELTS trainer in Wisdom Education Group. Coming to the qualifications, like qualified IELTS trainer and must be a graduate and must know the computer basics like Excel, Word, etc. and must know the filling process. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job role and to apply, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for System Integrations Specialist in Crelio Health, formerly Life Health. And if you see the job description, like the candidate should have a strong communicational skills and ability to represent the company with respect to integration discussions and fundamental knowledge of basic systems analysis and ability to analyze customer problems and provide solutions and communicate with external stakeholders to understand the business requirement and work with development teams to architect, design, build and implement application integrations and is able to articulate and communicate requirements at varying levels of technical understanding and understands of API design and the ability to manage multiple tasks within tight deadlines and prioritize effectively. This is the job description. Coming to the skills required for the desired candidates, like the candidates should have skills in these ones, like API, RESTful APIs, software requirements, specifications, and technical writing. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for DPT program and base manager in Boeing. And coming to the educational and experience required, like bachelor's degree in engineering in relevant field like mechanical, aerospace, aeronautics, electrical and electronics, and a typical experience in helicopter maintenance environment for a minimum of 12 years, and master's degree in above fields with 10 or more than 10 years of experience, and alternate combinations of relevant equivalent experience and qualifications also considered. And coming to the relocation, this position offers relocation based on candidate eligibility. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the links are given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer in Gleamsoul Solutions. And if you see the job responsibilities, like collaborate with the team to ensure consistency of designs across various media outlets, create compelling and effective logos, designs, prints and digital media, maintain awareness of current industry and technology standards, social media, competitive landscape and market trends. These are some job responsibilities. if you see the qualifications required for this job role, like 1 year experience of candidates or freshers also can apply for this job role, and the experience should be in graphic designing and proficient in Adobe XD and Photoshop, and strong communication, conceptual thinking and typography skills and design skills and portfolio of work. These are some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for senior IT recruiter in Navitas Partners LLC. And if you see the skills required for this job role, like the candidates should have 2 to 5 years of work experience in recruiting for IT related roles, and high value, fast paced, hungry recruiter mentality, and IT recruiting experience like Java developer, full stack Java developer, BA or PM type roles, and ability to hit the ground running in a metrics driven environment, and ambitious and driven, and someone who wants to get promoted based on his or her efforts. These are some skills required for this job role. And if you see the job responsibilities, like execution of full life cycle recruitment, source, screen, submit pipeline, and proficiently fill various types of jobs in various IT sectors, and determine applicant qualifications by interviewing applicants, and provides support and takes initiative through the interview process, included performing the necessary screening requirements, and manage contract employees while on assignment and place them again when coming off assignments, and effectively utilizes recruiting tools including social media, job boards, and database searches, etc., and works to understand the client's needs and react appropriately in environment of competing priorities. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for PHP developer in Euclid Software Solutions Private Limited. And if you see the experience required, like 1 to 4 years experienced candidates can apply, and who are looking for PHP developers and who have skills are given below, they also can apply. And coming to the required experience and skills and qualifications, like experience in core PHP or WordPress or any framework like Cake PHP, Laravel, CI will be an added advantage for this job role, and proficiency in HTML5 and CSS, and self-motivated individuals with good communication skills are preferred, and ability to handle project independently, and ability to develop and manage an existing e-commerce website, and the candidate should be team management. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for senior sales executive in Morgan Global Traders. And if you see the requirements for this job role, like the candidates should have proven 3 years plus work experience as a sales executive or a relevant role, and the candidate should have bachelor's degree or equivalent qualification, and the candidate should have excellent communication skills and highest proficiency in English, like reading, writing, and listening, and moderate proficiency in Chinese, like reading, writing, and listening, and excellent knowledge of MS Office, and hands-on experience with CRM software is a plus, and thorough understanding of marketing and negotiation techniques, and fast learner and passion for sales, and the candidate should be self-motivated with a results-driven approach. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box, and you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.